welcome to another episode. It's me, David, and today I'm bringing you an app that can change the way you type. Yes, type. I'm sure we're all bored of the conventional method of typing on our smartphones and also the ever troublesome autocorrect. A smart way to counter these is downloading this crazy app called Swiftkey. Let me show you how it works. Okay, so we're going to click on Swiftkey that I just downloaded off the Google Play Store. And here we are. So you come to a main menu with a bunch of options to mess around with the different kinds of keyboards you have and the way you want to access them. So let's check out what we have on the top. Enable Swiftkey Cloud. Let's click on that. And over here you have to sign in with your Google account. The thing is, when you sign in with your Google account, you get new things such as new themes, backups where you can safely store your personalized language in case of loss or upgrade. You can sync seamlessly and get personalized learning across all your devices like your tablets or iPads or whatever else you're using. So let's just leave that aside for a moment and go to the first option here in your settings that says themes. So let's check out themes that we already have. So here we have a different set of colored themes for your keyboard. Right now I'm using the berry theme, which is kind of red and maroonish in color. And you have a pitch black and nickel and cobalt. You've got a whole bunch of different themes here, and if you're not satisfied with these, you can get new ones like I told you earlier, but you have to sign in with your Google account. So I'm going to stick with the berry theme that I have here right now and go back. So the Swiftkey Cloud, personalize and backup predictions. Yes, that's the same thing when you sign in with your Google account. So let's move on to languages. I'm going to click on that. Right here we have English UK, English US and Hinglish, which is a mix of English and Hindi. I've ticked all three of them, so I can use all three forms of speech on my keypad if I choose to, but that kind of makes it does not narrow down my search when I'm trying to type in words in a particular style in context. But I'm pretty comfortable with that right now, but you can choose one or two if you want to. Amongst those you have almost every single kind of language known to human beings on the planet, so you can choose your language according to where you're from, but as Indians we're generally going to go with Hindi or English. So let's move on. We've got a layout. So you have arrow keys when you can show arrow keys on the keyboard. You have accented characters when you can show all accents on a long press. A long press is where you hold down an alphabet on the keyboard and you get a set of accents along with it to choose from. You have the number pad on the left where you can show numbers to the left of all the symbols on the keyboard, and you have a number row which allows you to have a row of all the numbers on your keypad. Your enter key allows a long press for your emoticons if you choose to. So you can tick all of these options, all or none of them if you choose to, or one of them. So play around with that. Along with layout we have sound and vibration. Let's check that out. We have the key press sound. Device will not make any sound on key press if I choose to tick mark that, but I have key press vibration on, when my device will vibrate on any key press. A key press is when you type in any key, and here below that we have the key press vibration duration. So right now it has a default duration, but I can set that to about 10 milliseconds if I choose to, and a maximum of 200 milliseconds if I want. That's it for the sound part. You have your input methods. So you can choose to select flow. Flow allows you to move your fingers across the keypad to type in any words or sentences. Voice enable input key. This is something that I really like on this app. You can you can speak to your phone and those words will type in automatically onto your keypad chat box. So you have the spacebar completion mode, you have quick period, you have auto capitalize, and you have emoji prediction. The other options that you have are long key press duration, which is about 450 milliseconds. You can clear the data on this device if you choose to, and all your settings that you previously set for swipe will be removed. Notifications, enable notifications with tips and achievements. So I have that ticked right now if I get something new, either while I'm online or if I have a message. This is pretty much it. If you want to see what it looks like, I'll just exit and to up real quickly to show you exactly what has happened. So keypad right now is berry, just like I told you earlier. It's in the red form, and this is the cool thing here. So on the left of the space bar you have a little sign above the comma that's a microphone, so I'm going to hold that down. Hi David, how are you doing? and I'm going to pause it. There you go. So it even picked up the I'm going on to. Alright, so that's it. So it's really easy. You just type in, you just speak in very clearly into the microphone and it picks up exactly what you want to say and it comes up on your chat box. Typing ability is when I just move my hand across like this and you get like a whole worm across the screen and you'll type in exactly what you want to type. Of course, I didn't really choose something there, but let's see this. P-A-V-I-D. There you go. It's really easy and you get prediction options in case you were trying to look for something else. So that's the really cool thing on this app. So Swiftkey allows you to swipe to type across your keyboard. The major drawback of this app is that it may be a bit confusing at first, but it can be a really major game changer once you get used to it. We all use our phones with two hands to type, but now this is a great app that we can type using one finger. Hope you liked it. Please check it out. This video was brought to you by Greshoba and One Network.